Hello and welcome to Sporty's Pilot Shop. This is our new product checklist. The test pilots at Sporty's are always coming up with brand new products for the aviation market. We want to make sure we bring those to you each and every week. This week we have 5 new products to talk about. Up first is our Crosswind flight bag. This is our most popular flight bag with student pilots. It's very simple and it's very robust. It has a pocket here for your headset that's padded, and then one main compartment that carries all your books. We find as you're training you have a lot of manuals, FAR aims, and things that you need to keep with you. This is the perfect bag to keep all that gear organized. At $49.95, and it won't bust your budget either, so you can spend more money on flight training. Up next is the Sirius XM Onyx receiver. This is perfect for the cockpit. I found a lot of pilots out there use Garmin GPSs and keep the subscriptions up to date merely just for the radio. Well, you don't have to use those big GPS units anymore. You can use these smaller receivers to get that same radio. Listen to the Reds game, check out the Bengals. And right now going on, there's a special for AOPA members, so check that out on the AOPA website. This connects to your headset or your intercom system using a 3.5 millimeter cable. Sporty's just came out with a new course. It's called the Basic Aerobatics course with Patty Wagstaff. In addition to all the video that we took with this course, we have 360 video. So now as you're in the cockpit with your tablet or your phone, you can look around, and as Patty's telling you how to do each and every maneuver, she'll tell you where to look and how to do those maneuvers. Along with this course is the next item. It's called the Better Barf Bag. Aerobatics will often lead to some upset stomachs. Even the most seasoned pilot, myself included, can puke in the cockpit. Unfortunately, to puke in the cockpit, up until now you had to use this little thing. So I have this beautiful little envelope. I fish my white bag out of that. As I'm about to hurl, I have to open it up. It's a lot of fun. And then do my business into the bag. This is less than ideal, because when I'm all said and done, I do have to figure out how to close said bag with the magic bread twisty tie. And even once I get it closed, it's very less than ideal for holding all that liquid in. So the pilots at Sporty sat down and said we could do something better, and that's what we did. This is the Better Barf Bag. On the top we have a zipper closure. So now when I put in my liquid or chunks or whatever you have to put in it, it will not only hold the liquid and puke and vomit, it will also hold the smell down. One of my favorite things is this gusseted bottom. So now when I put it down on the counter or the floor of the aircraft, it won't roll around and spill. Last but not least is the white bag. You can kind of see the level of the liquid and what's inside of it. Well, this bag is all dark. So as I'm doing that walk of shame from the plane to the FBO, everyone doesn't see what I've just done while I was out flying. I get a more private solution with the Better Barf Bag. And last but not least, we have a silicone mic muff cover. A hot topic today is sanitation in the cockpit. Keeping it clean, making sure all the germs are gone. And that mic muff collects most of the germs out of my mouth. This silicone cover will help me when I want to clean that mic muff. So putting it onto that mic muff, and now I can use a standard wet wipe or Clorox sanitation cloth to disinfect my headset. This is good if you have to share headsets in the cockpit, as well as just keeping my headset clean. So those are the 5 products we brought to you this week on Sporty's new product checklist. Check us out next week. We're going to do this every week with a whole bunch of new products from Sporty's test pilots. Thank you for joining us.